Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to create a blogging website completely free using your Chrome browser. All right, so we are going to be able to learn how you can be able to create a blogging website right here under less than 3 minutes, and also we are going to be talking about how you can be able to monetize it and start earning. And I'm also going to include how you can be able to drive traffic to that your blogging website. It's very easy. So right now I'm going to be diving into my laptop right now to show you the exact step-by-step guide. And before we do that guys, please kindly support the channel by subscribing and also share this video to help someone out there also learn how to create this blogging website and start creating and earning real cash. All right, so it's very easy. So right now, going to my laptop right now, this is we all know this page. I'm currently on my Chrome browser, and of course this is the first page you see on your Chrome browser. Simply head over right here. You can see this button right here, Google Apps. Click on it. All right, so once you click on it, it's going to show you a lot of Google apps that you can actually utilize for different purposes. So scrolling down you until you see Blogger right here, this one, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, allow it to load completely, and this is where of course create your blog. All right, so simply head over right here, and of course let me get this out of the screen. Boom. Okay, simply head over right here, click on create your blog. All right, so once you click on it, allow it to load. So after that guys, this is where they are going to be bringing you. Okay, so over here guys, they are going to be asking you, you need to read this all up. You can read this all up. Okay, so over here, scroll down, they are going to be asking you to choose a name for your blog. All right, so for this case, I'm going to be naming it test. Okay, let me go right there. Okay, I'm going to be naming it test blog like this. Okay, so right now you scroll down, you click on next. So once you click on next, they're going to be asking you for the address of your blog. So this is where you need to type in the name that people will search, and it will take them to your own blog. So make sure you choose it correctly, and some names are not available, so I'm going to be putting something like this. Okay, test. Okay, you can see over here, sorry, this blog address is not available, so you need to choose name that is available. So but the name is going to be maybe test.blogspot.com. so let me put the name something like test mechanic. Okay, this is just an example, not actually a real name. Test mechanic, something like this. Let's see if the name is available. All right, just okay, you can see the blog address is available. The name of this blog is testmechanic@blogspot.com. okay, now go ahead and click on next. Once you click on next, they're going to be asking you for the display name. Confirm your display name. How do you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? So I will just type in the same thing. You can go ahead and change it if you want. Test mechanic like this. Test mechanic. So go ahead and click on finish up. You can see it's processing. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, so just give it a little time. Okay, so after that guys, they are going to be bringing you right here. This is very important. European law require you to give European visitor information about cookies and use data, blah blah blah, all those. You can read it all up by yourself. Okay, but this is notification. So over here, to be able to start creating, it is very easy. Now when people type in that name of your blog, they are going to be taken to your blog. Now before I will tell you how you can be able to start creating, let me tell you how you can be able to start earning. But before you earn, it's when you start creating. You understand the logic? All right, so right now simply head over right here to earning. You can see earning right here. Go into it. Now once you go into it, they are going to be asking you to add to create an AdSense account. Now if you don't have an AdSense account, this is where you create it. Simply clicking on create AdSense account, they are going to be asking you different questions, and through the step that they're going to be taking you through, you can simply create an AdSense account. It's very easy. Now what is an AdSense account? An AdSense account is where your money is going to be sent to. Your AdSense account allows you to connect your domiciliary bank account or any other account where that money that will be sent to your AdSense account is going to be transferred. All right, that is your your local bank. You understand? So after creating your AdSense account, now this is when you go to your post. All right, because on this post, that is where you actually post. All right, for example, right now I will click over here on new post or post. They are the same thing. Now let me click on new post. Now clicking on new post, they are going to be taking you to the page or the template where you can be able to create a post. All right, now All right, let me show you something real quick. Okay, so over here guys, you need to start your post. For example, on each post you usually start it with a large or a bold letter. Now clicking on this one right now, all your text are going to be very bold. All right, let me type in capital letter. Okay, you can see all your text are going to be very bold, and after that guys, you give space. Okay, you give space like this, then you remove it from this bold, then you start typing on your normal letter. You can even apply AI to this by asking AI. You can maybe go to another person's post or another person's blog, copy the whole thing that the person actually posted, take it to your chat GPT or Grok and ask it to edit it in a different version. It will take less than a minute. It will edit it, then you simply copy it and paste it right here, then add images. To be able to add images, you simply click on this thing, or add video, you simply click over here, and that is how you start blogging. Now for example, right now the question is, how do you actually drive traffic to your blog? Okay, to be able to drive traffic to your blog, what I think you can easily do is to use your social media accounts. For example, TikTok, you will kind of tell people to you will tell people about your blog, tell them that this is what happened, blah blah blah, and tell them if they want to read the full story, they should go to so blog, or you can provide the link on your bio or provide the link on your comment section. All right, so that when they click the link is going to take them to your blog, and as they are scrolling through the blog, they are going to be meeting some adverts. All right, and through that advert, money is going to be accrued, money is going to be accumulated, and after that it is going to be sent to that your AdSense account, which you have already created. It is very easy as this. And if you want to be seeing your comment, this is where you see it, and this stats shows you the number of visitors that you have gotten, the number of comments, blah blah blah, and that is all. And over here we have this one called layout, all right, or theme. You basically decide how you want the platform to look like. Everything is just as simple as I've mentioned it, and anyone that types the name of your blog or search for it, the person is going to be taking it to your blog, so that he will read everything you wrote right there and get the information he or she is looking for. All right, so it's as simple as this. Remember, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas or full details on how you can be able to create so thing, and just publish it on your blog and drive people to your blog, and you start making money. That's how easy it is. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. If you made it to this part, let me know in the comment section if you find the video interesting, if you're going to be starting, or just tell me anything in the comment section. It keeps me encouraged. All right, and also do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Thank you, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that I'll be sharing very soon.